Hello everybody, welcome. Now, 9 o'clock in the morning. Now I went up Aldi's and I've seen these. Now these are new. The woman's put them on the shelf and I thought there was Christmas stuff. I said, what's that Christmas stuff? And she laughed. And she said, no, it's our new range. It's these. Street food range. It's summer celebration. It's a new street food range that they're doing apparently. I don't know whether that just means our shop or all Aldi's or what. But I've got two. I've got, get a bit closer, Mexican, you probably can't see that, Mexican style bakes. It's filled with sweet corn, feta cheese and hand finished with paprika sprinkles. That's that one. They're ready to eat. Or you've got chili beef bakes. They are, I don't know if you can see that properly, made with British beef, hand finished with chilli and parsley sprinkle. So that's them anyway. Now it was quite expensive. It was £2.49p each. So they're quite expensive for two. Well, beans as I've seen them and I thought, well, let's have a go. So let's open them up and see what they're like. So we'll open the Mexican style. So I don't know if you can see that probably because of the packaging. That's it there. So it's new. The calories are, if I can see it, my eyes are playing up this morning a little bit. 540 calories for one, for bake. So that's that one, Mexican. Then you got the chili beef bake. That's that one. So they're quite expensive for the price. 502 calories in that one per bake. That's a medium heat on that one. I never noticed that before. It's got a heat on it. Yeah, that's a mild. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to eat one cold and I'm going to eat one hot. So I've got the oven warming up. So when the oven warming up, we'll get one each in the oven. Because it says you're ready to eat, so you can eat them cold. But you want to try both, don't you? And that's what I'll do. So once the oven's reached temperature, I'll bring you back. Right, the oven's reached temperature now, so let's open them up. Let's open the Mexican one first. There we go. I mean, they look nice, to be fair. And I can smell it as well. There. Yes, I can smell them, definitely. So new street food range, that's what I said there was. And these are the chili beef. Yum yum. Yes, I can smell them. They've got a lot of smell to them. So we'll get one each on a pan. Put the Mexican that side. That one's got more stuff on it. Put that side. I'll get them in the oven. Let me just check how long it said first. Where is it? 20 minutes from chilled. Is that the same? Should be the same, I think, shouldn't it? 20 minutes from chilled. So I'll get them in the oven. When they're done, we'll have a taste test of the cold ones and a taste test of the hot ones. Right, they're ready and they smell absolutely delicious, to be fair. They smell really, really nice. So you've got the Mexican beef hot, Mexican beef cold, well, no, Mexican style, whatever it is, and chili beef hot and chili beef cold. So let's cut the hot ones open first. Nice crunch there, look, hear that? Oh, it's filling. It has got some filling in it, look. Oh yeah. That's got some fill. It's only been in for 20 minutes, so now this one. What's this one? Chili beef. There it is. It smells like chili. There's not as much smell in the Mexican one. Well, they look nice. Let's do the cold ones. Put them to the side. Just to see if there's any, you know. There's no crunch or nothing there, is there, obviously. There's the cold one. Hot one looks more appetising, doesn't it? Look at that. Definitely hot one, innit? Definitely. Like this. Let's do this one. But they smell nice. Them cooked ones smell really nice. There's the chili beef one there. Get a cooked one, and there's a cooked one. The cold one looks better on that, doesn't it? You can see look at the big piece of steak there, look. Well, beef or whatever. But look at the gooiness in there, look. Look at that gooey. So let's give them a taste test, and we'll see. We'll try both. I think the hot one's going to come out on top, isn't it? Quite easy. Right, I'm going to do the cold one first. So which one should we do? Let's do the chili beef. Today's it ready to eat, so there's the cold one. Let's get a big bit of beef in the end there. That's nice. Oh, and it's got a kick. And it's got a kick. 2 peppers. Oh, it has got a spice. That's delicious. Oh, that's got a spice in it as well. Wow. That's delicious. You get some good chunks of beef in that, to be fair. That is delicious. Now let's do, where is it? Here it is. Now I'll do the hot one for that. Feel that kick, definitely feel that kick. Ooh, that's stunning. That's absolutely stunning. Wow. Sorry about that, dog going mad at the postman. That's got a right kick into it, to be fair. That's got a right kick. Obviously the cooked one tastes better, but then they are nice cold. Now let's go on to the Mexican. Cold one. Oh God, that's got a right kick, that has. Feel it. It's nice. I don't know about that one. Seems a bit plain. There's the cooked one. All I can taste in that is sweet corn. I can't really taste any Mexican. I can taste a little bit of feta, to be fair. Well, I can only really taste sweet corn and a little bit of feta cheese, that's about it. But that chili one's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Would you pay £2.49 for them? As a one-off, probably. I wouldn't buy them every week for that price. I mean, you can get the cheesy beans and all that for £1.40, I think they are. £1.49 or something. They're like £1 cheaper. But they are nice. I mean, that chili one's gorgeous. That chili one is really nice. And the pastry reminds me a lot like Greg's, that pastry does. But I say, there you go. I bought the chili one. I don't think I'd buy the Mexican one. I don't think I would. But not for that price, I don't think. Let me know if you've seen them in your Aldis. Say, the woman said they're brand new. So, I've got a couple. So, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let me know whether you've got them in yours. Because I've never seen them before. And what are they called? Summer of Celebration. Street food. New. Well, that chili one's nice. It is nice. I'm not too keen on that Mexican. But anyway, till next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Bit more chili. Bit more chili.